Hey everyone, this is Amelia. If you're a Figma user, you probably know about the Figma community. It's full of plugins and tons of design resources. Personally, the most valuable ones are always the design files. And recently, I found an insanely useful free template file that I have to share with you. It contains 50+ web design templates, all based on real pages from well-known products. I even noticed pages inspired by Lovable, ChatGPT, and many more, including landing pages, dashboards, Chatbot UIs, and other common layouts. What surprised me the most is that every page is fully editable. Before this, I always had to recreate layouts from screenshots. Now, someone has actually organized everything into editable Figma files. Amazing! By the way, the creator mentioned that all the pages were generated using prompt.to.design by Superun, an AI UI generation plugin for Figma. I checked it out. Looks pretty cool. If you're interested, you can try it to generate even more designs. That's it for today's share. I'm Amelia, and I'll see you next time.